Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add reviews on Google Sites. Now guys, the first thing that you actually need to do is go on Google and type Google Sites and click on the first link that pops out, or go to sites.google.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your Google account and you will be logged into Google Sites immediately. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, we have plenty of how-to Google site videos on our YouTube channel where you can go and check out how you can do everything. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official website of Google Sites where we have a lot of different options. So first of all, we have the option where you can start a new site. So basically you can go and click on blank site and start your one from scratch. Or guys, you can go and see some other options that you can get. So family update, portfolio, event, help center, or project. So basically you can go and click on one of those. Here also you can see recent sites and who are they owned by. And here you can of course start your own site. As you can see in the top left corner guys, we have site, classic site, doc, sheet, slide, forms, etc. Some other stuff of about Google. And in top right corner we have everything about your Google, where you can go of course and log out if you want. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add reviews on Google Sites. Well, copy your free Google Reviews widget embed code, and when you do that, then go and click on the embed, as you can see here on the insert tab in the page that you want to embed it in. Then click on embed code, paste your code here, click next, and then click insert, and that's basically how you can do it guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.